When people talk about owning a Toyota Hybrid long-term, one question always comes up. What does maintenance actually look like after 10 years or around 150,000 miles? At that point, you're no longer looking at a new vehicle. You're dealing with something that has gone through years of commuting, stop-and-go traffic, heat cycles, cold starts, and constant daily use. So the real question becomes simple. Does the hybrid system actually hold up over time, or does long-term ownership start to get expensive? For most drivers, the biggest concern is the high-voltage battery. It's often seen as the most expensive and uncertain part of the entire system, and for years it's been treated like something that will eventually fail and trigger a major repair bill. So instead of relying on assumptions, the real question is what actually happens after a full decade of use and well over 150,000 miles in real-world conditions. And once you look at the actual long-term data, the picture becomes a lot clearer than most people expect. After around 10 years or 150,000 miles, what typically happens isn't a sudden failure, but a gradual change in how efficiently the battery stores and delivers energy. The system is still working and the car still drives normally, but the peak performance you had when it was newer can begin to ease off slightly. This is where the difference shows up in a practical way, not through warning lights or breakdowns, but through fuel consumption. A Toyota Hybrid that once consistently delivered around 26 to 34 miles per gallon in mixed driving might gradually drop closer to 20 to 24 miles per gallon under the same conditions. That shift doesn't mean the system is failing, it simply reflects reduced battery efficiency, meaning the engine ends up handling a slightly larger share of the workload. Even then, everything continues to operate as designed. The car still switches between electric assist and engine power, still recovers energy through braking, and still delivers the core hybrid benefit. It just doesn't feel as sharp or efficient as it did when it was new. In most cases, this change happens so gradually that many owners only notice it when they compare fuel economy over a long period of time. The next question is how long the hybrid battery actually lasts before it becomes a real issue. This is where Toyota hybrids stand out compared to the common assumptions about battery-powered systems. In real-world use, the high-voltage battery in most Toyota hybrids doesn't typically fail anywhere near the 10-year or 150,000-mile mark. Many owners continue well past 200,000 miles or roughly 300,000 to 400,000 kilometers without ever replacing it. If replacement is ever needed, this is where most of the misconceptions come in. Many people assume the cost is so high that it effectively totals the car, but real-world figures don't support that. For standard Toyota hybrids, not plug-in models, a replacement battery can vary depending on condition and location. Refurbished or rebuilt units typically fall around $1,000 to $3,000, though availability and reliability can vary. A brand new OEM battery from Toyota is higher, usually around $3,000 to $5,000 for most common models. This reflects genuine factory parts and dealership pricing, not the inflated figures often seen online. It's also important to separate this from plug-in hybrids, which use larger, higher-capacity battery packs and therefore come with higher replacement costs. Once you remove the speculation, the actual cost range is significant but not extreme, especially when viewed across a vehicle lifespan that can easily stretch well beyond a decade. Once you understand the battery side of things, the next layer of cost that actually defines long-term ownership is routine maintenance. This is where the real 10-year ownership picture starts to take shape, because unlike the battery, this is something every owner will deal with consistently over time. Over a full 10-year span, a Toyota Hybrid's routine maintenance tends to stay surprisingly controlled. You're still doing the basics: oil changes, filter replacements, tire rotations, and regular inspections. But the key difference is how predictable and spread out these costs are. In most realistic ownership scenarios, you're looking at roughly $3,000 to $5,000 total over that entire decade for routine servicing. That range already accounts for normal driving conditions, mixed city and highway use, and standard wear items that every combustion-based vehicle still requires, even in a hybrid setup. What makes this more manageable is that nothing in this category is sudden or unexpected. It's not one large repair event. It's a steady, scheduled pattern of maintenance that keeps the vehicle operating efficiently over time. And even after 150,000 miles, the core engine in a Toyota Hybrid is still benefiting from the hybrid system itself. Because it doesn't operate under constant high load the way a traditional engine would, wear tends to be more controlled, which helps keep routine maintenance from escalating aggressively as the vehicle ages. So when you isolate just the basic upkeep, the 10-year ownership cost stays relatively stable, and it becomes one of the more predictable parts of owning a Toyota Hybrid. One of the biggest long-term cost advantages of a Toyota Hybrid isn't the engine or even the battery. It shows up in areas most people overlook, especially the brakes and drivetrain. In a regular gasoline car, braking is almost entirely based on friction, so pads and rotors wear down with every stop. But in a Toyota Hybrid, much of that work is handled by regenerative braking, where the electric motor slows the car while also recovering energy back into the battery. In practical terms, that means the physical brakes are used far less aggressively. Over a 10-year or 150,000-mile period, brake pads and rotors often last much longer than in a conventional vehicle. Many owners only replace brakes once in that entire span, and some don't need a full replacement at all depending on driving habits. That alone reduces long-term ownership costs, often saving around $1,000 or more compared to a non-hybrid car. Then there's the drivetrain. Toyota Hybrids use an eCVT, which is very different from a traditional automatic or belt-driven CVT. Instead of complex gear changes, it relies on a power split system with far fewer moving parts. With less mechanical complexity, there's less friction, fewer failure points, and a much lower chance of expensive transmission repairs over time. It also means fewer maintenance concerns compared to conventional gearboxes. When you put reduced brake wear and the simplified drivetrain together, the pattern becomes clear. These systems aren't just improving fuel efficiency, they're quietly cutting out some of the most common and costly repair areas in long-term vehicle ownership. Even with Toyota's reputation for reliability, some wear and tear repairs are inevitable after 10 years. Components like water pumps, wheel bearings, and suspension parts may eventually need attention depending on driving conditions and usage. In most cases, these unexpected repairs remain relatively manageable, typically totaling around $1,500 to $3,000 over that period. When you add everything together, the ownership picture becomes much clearer. Routine maintenance generally falls between $3,000 and $5,000 over 10 years, while unexpected repairs add another $1,500 to $3,000. If a hybrid battery replacement is ever needed outside of warranty, that's typically another $3,000 to $5,000. That puts total long-term ownership costs at roughly $5,000 to $8,000 if the original battery lasts the life of the vehicle, or closer to $8,000 to $13,000 if a battery replacement becomes necessary. Spread across a decade of driving, those costs are more reasonable than many people expect, especially when you factor in fuel savings, strong reliability, and reduced wear on major components like the brakes and transmission. And that's the pattern long-term Toyota Hybrid owners consistently report. Fewer surprises, lower than expected maintenance costs, and dependable performance well beyond 150,000 miles.